Hi, this is for our mechanics laboratory in which we created tubular bells, and we have Rourke's formula for stress and strain, in which you calculate the natural frequency based off of the motive frequency, a constant, the modulus of elasticity, the moment of inertia about the axis of revolution, and then the gravitational acceleration with the weight per unit length and the length of the pipe. You can see over here, I'm going to talk more about the theory, and then we're going to have our actual tubular bells that we created play a song at the end. But we have the normal equation, and then this is a way of using the units to cancel out, so we can get to the frequency, which is the unit of 1/seconds, but also known as hertz. And so we can take this equation, and since we know the natural frequencies of notes in the musical industry, like we would know the natural frequency of a note C. Those are known values. What we're trying to find is the length we would need for our tubular bells. So we can rearrange this equation in order to find the length of the tubular bells in which we need to create.
Alrighty, so now that we know how to calculate length to create a frequency, what we're going to do is we're going to take this here steel pipe, and we're going to create the tubular bells that we were talking about. And to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to take sections of pipe and you're going to cut them down. You can either use a tube cutter or an angle grinder, or however you got through cutting metal. And then you're going to cut them down to length. I recommend you start out with a value a little bit greater than, because you can always remove material instead of add material. Once it's cut, can't add any more back. After you get done cutting it, we took the time to bore out the insides of it, so there was nothing messing with the resonance of the tubes. And then what we did was we took a drill and drilled a hole through there. You can use any string to string it on up, and we labeled these with the note that we have, what octave it's in, and then you can see the theoretical value and then the actual value listed on all of these. And then to hold these, instead of each one of us holding these, or however they were expecting us to do this, I came up with a stand you can see here, and all I did was take some scrap wood and some hooks that I had laying around in my garage, some lag bolts, and bam, got a stand. There you go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the song that we picked, and I'm going to give you a second to try and figure out what it is. So here we go. One more time again. Deaden these. And there you are. There is our tubular bells. Thank you.